Hey guys, welcome back to V-La-Nessa. Now this is just a video just to update you guys because I know it's been like 3 weeks that I haven't posted a video, and I know probably some of you may be wondering what's happening, especially like Carrie Palmer. You know, you're my day one from ever since. So I just want to prepare myself for bed while combing this dry head. It wants to comb, so if you see any little flakes and so forth, that's the gel that I put in there this morning. And I'm just gonna basically put some doodle plaits in there and tie it. But I'm just gonna update you on few stuff. But before I get into the video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Turn on the post notifications so whenever I release a new video, you will be the first to know. Alright guys, so as I was saying, it's been a while now, and I just think I owe you guys an explanation as to why I've been MIA for the past 3 weeks. Is not to say that I was busy or anything. It's just that a lot of stuff been going on, and I just feel like I want to talk to an vent for a moment and let you know where I'm presently at mentally. Let me see now. So why I've not been posted. Alright. So it's not that I don't want to post or I've given up on YouTube. Nope, definitely. I've not given up on YouTube. In fact, I want to make this long term. But sometimes you may get some negative comments, not comments on another video but comments in life, from people around you or people in your family and so forth. You get some comments and it kind of discourages you in a bit. So one of the reason why I have not been so motivated is because of something that was said, and it kind of demotivated me. I have so many video ideas that I want to do. I have so many things that I need to talk about, especially for my J1 piece, because right now we're in the last month of the J1 season, because obviously it's from May to August, because September you would have to come home. You normally just get 1 week in September and you have to come back home for school. So a lot of agency have started early registration, and normally registration is October. So it's surprising that here comes July, latter part of July, August, they're doing registration. So I really need to talk about that so that the J1 people can know and to give some updates on that. But every time I think about what I want to do or the video that I'm planning to do, it's I just can't get the vibes to get up, take up the phone or the camera and record. And I also made some videos and I just don't get the vibes to edit them. Literally, I don't know if anyone here you have something doing or you have to do something and just so that one thing just tick you off, and every time you try to do it, it's you just don't get the motivation to do it. So that's where I'm at presently. I have brushed it off, and I'm not really mad at the person per se. No, I'm not mad, but it just affect everything moving forward as it relates to me creating content and so forth. But I am not going to use, I'm just going to use that and build. Yeah, when someone's fling a stone at you, use it to build a wall or something, So that's what I'm gonna do. You have like, I don't know, there's like so much that's going through my head, like so much things like I just don't want to say because I don't want to offend nobody. And I think that's one of my problem, always thinking about other people and not thinking about myself, thinking about how people may feel or what they may say about this. So a lot of things I keep internally and don't voice my opinion or voice my concern. Like I do voice stuff, right? But there are some stuff that I really want to say and I just don't say it because it might just cause some friends or cause some family, or some people to exit my life. And I also realized that because I'm talking about this now, I also realized that a lot of things I cannot say to people anymore. People who I thought that knew me, I realized that they don't know me or they probably take offense to it even though I don't mean nothing by it or I mean good and I mean no harm. So right now I am just staying by myself and doing me. Another thing is a lot of things that I am taking into perspective as it relates to me moving forward. As you know, I finished university and I am trying to plan my next move, whether it to work, start a business, or to learn a new trade, right? I am trying my best to be directed in the right path and I don't want to rush ahead because a lot of time we rush and then we realize that it's a waste of time. So that's that. I have a lot of skills, I have a lot of talent, but it's just to choose the right one right now so that I can better myself. I'm also learning the Forex market, and it's going good so far. But the thing about it is that I need to open a Jamaican US account. And guys, yes, we know I'm all over the place, but I'm just speaking as it comes to me. I just want to update you as it relates to what's going on in my life and, why I'm not been posting as regular. Yeah, so as it relates to Forex, I have to open a Jamaican account. And the other day, I got all the documents on JN, filled out the form, went to a JP to sign a self-employment letter so that I can get the account open. I had to pay the JP. Normally you don't really pay JP. I had to pay this one $500. I would say I wasted because I'm not going to use the paper anymore because when I went to JN, I realized that they don't offer the service that I want because they don't issue a Visa card for a savings account, which doesn't make no sense. Like, how can you be a bank? You're issuing out Visa card for a credit card but don't have a Visa debit? That makes no sense. So I wasted my time, energy, and money there. So I have to now think about another bank, which I think I may use NCB. A friend recommends Scotia, but I don't really like Scotia. So yeah, I'm going to try NCB and I'm going to try do that next week. So I have to get another JP to sign up for them form. Hopefully it's free. Right? If not, I just have to go pay for it and I have to do what I have to do because girl can't stay so girl like nice things I want for vacation and all them stuff there and want to eat healthy. Eating healthy in Jamaica is expensive. Guys, expensive. Buying fruits and buying vegetables very expensive. You can buy chicken, you can buy rice, you can buy a lot of things, but to buy like lettuce, it's like maybe $300 a pound. That $300 pound of lettuce, right, can get you like a pound of chicken or half pound of chicken and a rice and some seasoning and cook dinner. So it's cheaper for just eat all them oily food and greasy food. Because, oh God. So I really want to be healthy. I am going to sign up for gym next week because I realized that I put on a few pounds between the wedding and these birthday vacation, my friend birthday vacation. I've put on around 15 pounds and I'm not having it, right? I need to look slim and trim. I don't have no boo, huzzy or anything. And not that I'm looking, because I honestly feel like I'm not ready yet for any relationship. So, but just for my happiness, when I look down, I don't want to see no big belly, or I don't want my thighs rubbing or anything. Guys, yes, we know the video all over the place. Lord Jesus. Just a thought like, say somebody's there with me. Understand? So just reason with me. Comment, and just say, yeah, man, understand what I say. I've been there before. Just comment, interact with me. Sure. So, like, yeah, so I'm going to do the gym. Gym is $6,000 a month, and I want to actually do it for my birthday. Like, the gift that I'm doing for my birthday is mental health, physical health, and eating healthy, right? A lot of persons planning this for their birthday. Like me, I don't know, whatever happened on the day happened. I don't have no plans. Like last year, I didn't have no plans, never have no plans, and it turned out really good. This year, I don't have any plan. I'm not expecting anything. In fact, I'm probably just gonna stay home as I always do, right? And probably just go live or something. I don't know. I have no plans for birthday. One of my friend, she have for her birthday, September. The week after, we had planned, or so I thought, that we should have planned like birthdays together, because we kind of share almost the same friend, but she had her own thing. So we can't really celebrate my birthday with hers because she have a theme and her theme is not my theme, and shirt printing and all them someday. I'm not even sure if I'm even going to that because, money rush and all them something there. Plus my birthday is before, and if anything, if I get any money, I am doing me. Yeah. And I'm not going to put myself in any more debts for just a birthday. Yeah. And it may seem harsh. Sometimes you just put yourself first. If they don't understand, just say go. Right? But yeah. Sometimes you just have to just say, hey, I can't do it. It's not like first time you have to think about the future and think about what's going to happen next. Sometimes it's not all about the bling and the fling and how many person is there. It's the fact that, you're alive and God gave you one more year, added on to your years, and who's supposed to be there will be there, right? But if I do get any money though, or I can treat myself, I just feel like I just want to be by myself, or probably just one person, not really someone that's special, just one person, just to help share the moment, or probably help me with videoing and so forth. But I just feel like when I just go allow a hotel by myself, like I just saw me feel, you know? So yeah. Another thing too, guys, you know, there's a lot of depressed people around. You're not gonna see it most time. Another person just come out of them house with smiles on them face, pretending like everything is okay. You know, I know this because I do it a lot. So try to be kind, you know, try to be sensitive and try to read people. When them say them fine, sometimes you just need to look at them eyes to say they're in pain, right? And try your best. This message for me to try your best not to be negative in any situation. As I said, this is for me. And also, don't be afraid to lose things, people. Don't be afraid to lose in life. You lose some and you win some. You know, sometimes the rain falls, sometimes the sun shines. So don't be afraid to start all over again. Don't be afraid to move on. Don't be afraid to break up a toxic relationship. You know, whether it be boyfriend, whether it be friendship, any kind of relationship that's toxic to you and is not helping you, don't be afraid to break it off. Right? And I said this in my friends group and I'm gonna say it here because another person is being misled because of what they see and they really don't know what people are going through or what they have to do to get to where they are. But if you're out there and you're getting help from someone, take the help. Don't abuse the help or the person. And don't be too dependent. Right? Take the help to better off yourself. Don't just take the help and say, oh, this person give me money, this person pay me bills and rent and whatever, and think they're going to always be there, because guess what? People can change, right? And them have two sayings. They have one saying says, see me and come live with me. Two different person. Guys, look on this. Like, really? Yeah, they have a saying saying, see me and come live with me are two different things. What it means is that you see somebody and you think you know them and you go outside because guess what? You're not in their space 24/7. So the little hour or the little minute that you have with each other, like you make it worth your while. But once you're in someone's space, like me for once, somebody come to my house, then spend 2 days, me actually just get tired, like a time for your leave now, you understand? Depending on the person still, but sometimes not like for real. Like sometimes you just want to just be by yourself and not because of the person or what they're doing or whatever. But I don't know, maybe because I am used to being alone, I'm used to not having friends and family around. So sometimes when people come around, like once it touch like 3 days, we just have it. Like, yeah. We're not gonna tell them to leave or whatever, you know. But in a nice life, like I say, I may expect to say, alright, time now. Yeah, time now. Yeah, so when you're in their space now, you realize like, oh God, can't manage just a person here. You leave up the toilet seat, them not do this, them wake up later at daytime and one bag of something. And then realize they can't really live with this person. And when you check it out, they start to have argument. And then this person, where But yeah, depend upon you can't run them out of the house because guess what for them house, or you can't leave them because guess what, you're so dependent on them because you never elevate yourself. You never try to say, all right, the little money with them I give me, make me see if me can start a business or educate myself. So when them gone, if them gone, me alright, I'm not so dependent on if them a clot some lick by you, you can't run and live in a face. Jesus, what me I can do now? So take the help, but don't be too dependent on them when they're ready to leave or when you're ready to leave. Make it be that, yes, you can just take up a bag and left, right? And when you're getting the help from anyone, and whether the person have nice car, big house or whatever, don't boast by nobody. Don't boast because guess what? What the person have is not necessarily your one. And enough time the person a boast upon what people have and where people are give them or whatever. And tools, all of that can be taken away from you in just a blink of an eye. Can you imagine? All of that just gone. And the person we are boast upon better off than you. Have them education, have them business, have them work, and just because somebody did a drive X6 and limo and live in a mansion and you did a occupied for the little time, I think say everything after them. So humble yourself in everything that you do because you never know what can happen, right? And yeah, so I know I was all over the place, but we just want to come to you and talk to you and make you know what going on with me, what going on in my head. Yeah. Yeah. But as I said, I'm just trying now to figure out my next step. Right? I honestly don't think I want to work. When I say work, I don't want to work for nobody. I just want to start a business. But the thing about business is that sometimes if you don't have the help, and I don't have the help, right? My mom helped me as it relates to like paying bills sometimes, right? But even when she sends the money, sometimes not even enough, you understand? So I'm really grateful for that, right? But I may just have to find a word. But honestly, I don't know if you guys ever feel this way. It's like, yo, don't want to work for nobody, but you know you need money, right? And you know you want to live nice life and bear things, and you want when you have kids, the kid life better than your own. Because honestly, me, whatever me go through, my kids shall not go through it in Jesus' name. My child shall not struggle to pay school fee. My child shall not stay 7 years in a university. I wonder where the money I come from. My child shall not be alone. Yes, my child will be by my side. So everything that I'm doing and everybody I talk about, oh, you're not on a pitney, you're not giving me a grand pitney and all them something. Nope. Me not run down nothing when it come. Because what I go through, my child will not go through it. And if it hit me till 50, even though it's risky, yeah, I will wait. And not everybody they meant to have pitney neither. God forbid, me how, I'm just saying. You understand? So when you see somebody and then I'm not pitney, low them probably them not really ready. Right? Or probably they just can't have any. But me are straight. This video is all about straight. Yeah. So yeah, I am, as I said, I am learning a trade. I am learning Forex. It's going good so far. Right? And I really want to go full time in it because that's something that you can make some money, some serious money. And if I do that and I make money, then I am going to start a business that can give me several stream of income so that I can be an entrepreneur, businesswoman, a CEO, and I don't have to work for nobody. And I can provide employment for those who don't have. So that's on me. That's what's on my mind. Yeah. So guys, I know this is all over the place, and yeah, whenever this girl I come contact foolishness and whatever. But those who know me will understand where I come from. Big up yourself, Carrie Palmer. Like, there are other persons that support me, but Carrie Palmer stands out most to me because even when me I post something when I related to her, where she not a business, but she always take her time, watch it, comment on it, and like she encouraged me. Like, God no. Like, even there are times when me dey home and me just not feel like me just feel so discouraged about putting out a video or making a video, and then somebody out of the blue just message me and said, yo, thank you girl, this message helped me. And guys, I'm ready to know, like right now, I don't know, I'm ready to know. And I am trying to be more open as it relates to my life. I need to be more open. I need to stop caring about what people think and care about the good of me and to help people. So, if you hear some stuff from me, that's gonna come from a channel. If you hear anything, just know, say, you've been warned. I'm going to be more open. And I'll probably share my life experience. I'm going to share my life experience, but I just don't want to come on the studio like this. I want to be more fun, more interactive, more. I just, like, you know, when you have a green screen and you talk about a car, so one car pop up and want to be more professional, right? And I know sometimes it can just wait until that. But I guess this is what I've been prepping for from the start of my original video, way back in way. Yeah, so just stay tuned for more videos. Thank you for always coming back. Thank you for your support, and stay tuned, you know, big things going to go on. I don't see it yet, but I just know it. I know it with all that I have. You know, not many people make it when them are 20 or 30. Some people make it when them are 50, and that shall not be my portion. I shall make it soon, very soon. Soon and very soon. Vanessa is going to make it, yeah. Anyway, me I chat too much now. So, bye. See you later. Bye until my next video. I guess I hope this. Oh, before me end it, guys. Before me end it. Anyway, we done shoot the video and the play. We done shoot the play. It's a 1 hour play, but we're gonna cut it up in 2 parts. It's part A and part B. It's a Christian-based play. I wanna say movie, cause play is like stage, like, but we call it movie, but if you understand it, so it's gonna be releasing August the 15th, which is next Sunday. I have already uploaded it on YouTube, but I need to make some slight correction because of the whole copyright thing. I'm going to leave the link to the profile. I'm going to leave the channel name or the link down below so that you can go and follow the link, right? So when that movie come out or that play come out, you don't miss it. And we're going to premiere it. So guys, please stay tuned. I help to direct it, I video and I edit it. But the person who actually wrote and directed is Angela Staple, and it's, you know, from the whole Arts in Motion Ministries. Yeah, we have a lot of plays coming out. We have not yet started shooting the other one. The other play, she wants me to be a character in there. A character, they call it cast member. Yeah, she want me to be one of them actors in there. I don't know why. I don't know. I don't like somebody can act. I don't know. Yeah, so maybe in the next one. Alright, but this video, I went there video it in my phone and my camera. Me started off with a mic that I bought, and I put a review on it, and it kind of had some technical difficulties, so I'm gonna stop use that. I'm gonna use the camera mic alone and the phone mic, and I had to use the wind guard to put on the camera mic. It was just so crazy. And then I bought a new mic, the one that I'm using now, and I did the video for this mic, but it not go up yet. I don't know what's going on with me, you know, but yeah, I'm going to put the link down below so you guys go over and subscribe to the channel, so when it release, you know, yeah, it's gonna premiere, yeah. So just no say somebody, yeah. When time we get big, you know, you didn't know me. We start off from little, starting from the bottom now we're here, yeah. Anyway, this video is already long, so I'm gonna go now. Bye.